Presenting the Chrysler 2015 200C. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, MP3 decoder, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 5.0 AM/FM BT, SiriusXM satellite radio, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual-zone AC. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.